Good day everyone, welcome. In this video I'm demonstrating to you and showing you where to get the promo codes for Marvel Contest of Champions. So guys, pretty much you can just go to this pocketgamer.com website and basically find this promo codes and redeem codes section for this game. And as you can see, there's going to be plenty here. So as you can see, new Marvel Contest of Champions codes. As you can see, they give the actual code and of course the explanation about what it gives. So as you can see, crystal rewards and just rewards, pre-register code, 3 reunion crystals, etc. As you can see, and also the expired ones you can pretty much ignore, they don't work anymore. And as you can see, in order to use the promo codes, just go to the settings. Oh no, not to the settings, to the shop page, log into the Kabam account. Then find promo codes, this little window, type in the code and press on apply code, and you will get your rewards instantly. So as you can see, these codes, there's quite plenty of them here to use. Enjoy. If you like the video, of course, don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing. Hit the bell icon to not miss the new uploads, the fresh ones. Thanks for watching once again. See you soon.